Why is there so much hype around the keto diet? This popular diet is praised by celebrities and athletes. I'm sure you're seeing it on social media as much as I am, so let's go through the basics. Hi everyone, I'm Tara Venn, registered dietitian and nutritionist, and today I'll do my best to demystify what the keto diet is and if it could be helpful to you. The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet. When you reduce carbs significantly, it puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, hence the name keto diet. While your body is in ketosis, it uses fat for fuel instead of carbs. But this is a delicate balance to adjust to and maintain. Fortunately, there are ways to measure it. Blood, urine, and breath tests, which can tell you if your body is in ketosis, are easy to find on most online markets. In general, it takes 2 to 4 days to reach ketosis. However, some people may find it takes a week or longer to reach this state. You do want to make sure your body is in ketosis while you're on this diet. Otherwise, you're just eating a high-fat diet, and that's not good for anyone. That being said, there may be some benefits to it. Ketogenic diets can cause significant reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. They've also been shown to be effective for weight loss, type 2 diabetes, and for managing childhood epilepsy. And the diet is filling and slashes your hunger hormones. Many people like that they're able to lose weight on it without counting calories or tracking food intake. There are multiple types of keto diets out there, but the standard ketogenic diet, which is the best researched, typically contains 70 to 80% fat, 20% protein, and less than 10% carbs. If you're trying a keto diet, base the majority of your meals around these foods. Meat, such as red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken, and turkey. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel. Eggs, butter, and cream, like grass-fed butter and heavy cream. Unprocessed cheeses like cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, etc. Healthy oils, including extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Avocados. Low-carb veggies, like green veggies, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. And make sure to avoid carb-based foods like grains, sugars, legumes, rice, potatoes, candy, juice, alcohol, and this one is counterintuitive, even most fruits. It's also important to moderate your protein consumption. This is because protein can be converted into glucose if consumed in high amounts, which may slow your transition into ketosis. Once again, those ketosis test strips are your friend. All that said, the keto diet may not be suitable for everyone or sustainable for your lifestyle and preferences, and that's totally fine too. Staying on the keto diet in the long term may have some negative effects and needs to be researched more. Other people may not find such a restrictive diet sustainable either. I always recommend speaking with your doctor about your eating plan and goals to decide if keto is right for you. And one last thing, if you're reaching for a keto cookie or chips at the grocery store, keep in mind that these are processed foods. Although they're packaged and marketed as super healthy, these snacks may not be the healthiest choice for your ketogenic diet. I hope this answers some of your questions about the keto diet. Maybe we gave you some encouragement to try it, or maybe we helped you decide it's not your thing. That's great too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another episode of Food Fix.